I'd give that a solid 8. Ooh, but that Porto, she thick. She thick, she meaty. Okay. A little bit more bitter than I was expecting. But here's what's interesting about it. It tastes very potty and very pepper mashy. It's definitely spicy. It's definitely thick. But the first thing that I tasted was the sweetness. It had a sweetness from the carrot, and it had a lot of bitterness from the pepper pod. And then the garlic comes in on the back end, you see. And now I understand why they put a slow down stupid spout on that bad boy. We're gonna close our eyes and put that on there. That